Welcome back to Young Founders Club. If you're passionate about sustainability, creativity, and building something meaningful, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a project that's not only good for the planet but also has the potential to grow into a thriving business. We're talking about how to create a platform for sharing eco-friendly craft ideas. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an eco-warrior, or someone looking to start a side hustle, this video is for you. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to building your own platform, complete with tools you can use to make it happen. Oh, and don't worry, I'll also share some affiliate tools that can help you save time and money while building your dream project. Let's jump in. Alright, let's break this down into simple, actionable steps. We'll cover everything from planning your platform to launching it and growing your audience. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Define your niche and purpose. First things first, what's the purpose of your platform? Are you creating a space for eco-friendly craft tutorials? A marketplace for sustainable materials? Or maybe a community where people can share their projects? Defining your niche is crucial because it helps you stand out in a crowded online space. For example, you could focus on upcycled home decor or zero-waste DIY projects. The more specific you are, the easier it'll be to attract a loyal audience. Remember, your platform should solve a problem or fulfill a need, like helping people reduce waste while being creative. Step 2. Choose your platform type. Now that you've defined your niche, it's time to decide what type of platform you want to build. Here are a few options. A blog or website, perfect for sharing tutorials, tips, and stories. You can use tools like WordPress or Squarespace to get started. A YouTube channel. If you're more into video content, this is a great way to showcase your crafts visually. A social media community. Platforms like Instagram or Pinterest are ideal for sharing images and short videos of your projects. An online marketplace. If you want to sell eco-friendly craft supplies or finished products, consider platforms like Etsy or Shopify. For most beginners, starting with a blog or social media is the easiest way to test the waters. Once you gain traction, you can expand to other platforms. Step 3. Set up your platform. Alright, let's talk about the technical stuff. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Here are some tools to help you set up your platform quickly and affordably. Website builders. If you're going the blog or website route, I recommend Squarespace. It's user-friendly and has beautiful templates that'll make your site look professional right out of the gate. Hosting services. For WordPress users, Bluehost is a great option for affordable and reliable hosting. Social media schedulers. If you're building a social media presence, tools like Buffer or Later can help you plan and schedule your posts in advance. Graphic design tools. Use Canva to create eye-catching visuals for your platform. It's perfect for designing blog headers, social media posts, and even logos. Take your time to explore these tools and choose the ones that best fit your needs and budget. Step 4. Create valuable content. Content is king, as they say. To attract and retain an audience, you need to provide value. Here are some content ideas for your eco-friendly craft platform. Step-by-step tutorials. Show your audience how to create specific projects, like turning old jars into planters or making reusable shopping bags. Material guides. Share lists of eco-friendly materials and where to find them. Success stories. Feature stories of people who've made a positive impact through their crafts. Challenges. Host fun challenges, like a 30-day zero-waste craft challenge, to engage your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you post once a week or 3 times a week, stick to a schedule that works for you. Step 5. Build a community. Your platform isn't just about sharing ideas, it's about building a community of like-minded individuals. Here's how you can do that. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage people to share their own projects. Create a forum or group. Use tools like Facebook groups or Discord to create a space where your audience can connect and collaborate. Collaborate with others. Partner with other eco-conscious creators or brands to expand your reach. The stronger your community, the more impactful your platform will be. Step 6. Monetize your platform. Now, let's talk about turning your passion into profit. Here are a few ways to monetize your eco-friendly craft platform. Affiliate marketing. Promote eco-friendly products and earn a commission for every sale. For example, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Eco Roots, affiliate link in the description. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, printable templates, or online courses. Offer workshops. Host virtual or in-person workshops to teach specific crafts. Sponsored content. Partner with brands that align with your values to create sponsored posts or videos. Start small, and as your platform grows, you can explore more monetization options. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a platform for sharing eco-friendly craft ideas. Whether you're building a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media community, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep your audience at the heart of everything you do. Remember, every big platform started with a single idea and a lot of hard work. So, don't be afraid to take that first step. And if you need help along the way, there are plenty of tools and resources to support you. Ready to start your eco-friendly craft platform? Click the links in the description to check out the tools we talked about today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Young Founders Club, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials. Oh, and if you're already working on a platform, share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and cheer you on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.